Hey guys, I hope you are doing fine. In this video, I'm gonna teach you some sentences of Arabic which we are using in daily basis. Do we know the meaning of these sentences? Assalamu-Alaikum, Walaikum Salam, Mashallah, Subhanallah, Astaghfirullah. We are speaking Urdu, but still we are using some sentences of Arabic to make a positive impact in Islam. So, do we know the meaning of these sentences? No, not at all. So you don't need to be worried. I'm gonna teach you the meaning of all these sentences in English. Okay, whether you are speaking Urdu, but still you have to use these sentences, mashallah, subhanallah, astaghfirullah. So I'm going to teach you that when we can use these sentences and what do they mean. Okay, so the first sentence is Assalamu-Alaikum, which we mostly use to greet someone in Islam. So what does this mean? Assalamu-Alaikum mean peace be upon you. Allah की सलामती हो आप पर सलामती हो. And वालेकुम अस्सलाम, and unto you peace, and unto you peace, आप पर भी सलामती हो. So I hope you know that. Now you got to know that why we are using this sentence in Arabic, that Assalamu Alaikum, Walaikum Salam, सलामती हो आप पर और आप पर भी सलामती हो. And then next है Mashallah. So when we see something better and something amazing creature of God, we say Mashallah in Islam. So what does this mean? This mean glory to be God, and God has willed it. जैसा कि अल्लाह ने चाहा है, और glory to be God. And next word is astaghfirullah. When we use this sentence, when we commit sin, then we have to say apologize to Allah, then we use astaghfirullah. This means I seek forgiveness in God. I seek forgiveness in God, in Allah. So the next word is subhanallah. Subhanallah means Allah is perfect. Allah is perfect. And I hope you know the meaning in Urdu, that what does this mean? Allah is perfect. So obviously Allah is perfect. And then Allahu Akbar. We oftenly count our rosary, subhanallah, subhanallah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Do we know what we are saying? What we are counting on the rosary? If you don't know the meaning of rosary, then I'm gonna tell you that rosary means tasbih. In Arabic, in Urdu, it is tasbih. Okay, in English, rosary. So what we are saying when we are counting the rosary, subhanallah, Allahu Akbar, Allah is perfect and Allah is the greatest. Allah is perfect, Allah is the greatest. Allahu Akbar, Allah is the greatest. Allah sabse bada hai. So the next word is inshallah. Inshallah, it's a most beautiful word when we make an intention to do something. So we say, inshallah, I'll do this tomorrow. Inshallah, I'll do it by tomorrow. So, and then we say inshallah. If we say inshallah, then that work will be definitely done. Okay, so that's why we are using, it's an Arabic word that means if Allah willed it. If Allah wills it, agar Allah chahega, then definitely it will be complete. If agar Allah chahega, to ye mukammal hoga. That's why we are using this sentence, inshallah, if Allah wills it. Then we mostly use Allah Hafiz, like Allah Hafiz, Khuda Hafiz. When we say to someone bye bye, bye bye, we say in Arabic Allah Hafiz, that means Allah protect you. Allah aapki hifazat kare. Another sentence is Alhamdulillah. When we use this sentence, when we have to say thank to Allah, we are mostly use Alhamdulillah. That means all praises due to Allah. All praises due to Allah. Tamam tarife Allah hi ke liye hain. So these are most powerful sentences which we are using in our conversation. So you just keep continuously using these sentences in your conversation. That's why we are using these Arabic sentences. We are using these sentences, but we don't know the meanings of these sentences. So what's the use of these sentences whether we don't know that what we are saying? So now you got to know that what we are saying when we are saying to someone, Assalamu-Alaikum, Wa Alaikum Salam, MashaAllah, Subhanallah, Astaghfirullah, Allah Hafiz. Now you got to know that what we are saying. Okay.